Hello children, today we are going to see the chapter 3rd of English. The name of the chapter is Measure for Measure. Now we going to see the chapter. All of us have scissors and blade at home. Yet we go to the barber to get a haircut. Why? Because he knows to cut the hair properly. We don't cut hairs from scissors or blade. We are not professional. But the barber was the professional. So we went to the barber and cut off our hairs and trim them and make our hair beautiful and healthy. So when we go to the barber, we get haircut, okay, because he was professional. Now we are going to see the very interesting story about this measures for measures. Krishnadev Aryan was known for his patronage of poet and scholar. He was equally fond of fine art. Once he came to know about a brilliant artist named Raja Varma. He invited Raja Varma to the court and asked him to draw his portrait. Now the king was very pleased with the artist when his portrait was ready. In the portrait, the majesty and the handsome king seem to have a life within the frame. Do you think that the king rewarded him? Yes, the king rewarded him. But what reward he gave to him? Apart from this portrait, Raja Varma drew images of famous characters from Puranas, of man and woman, and so on. He became well known of his skill. He became close and dear to the king. Overwhelmed by joy, Krishna Dev Arya called the artist and asked him what he wanted. When Rajavarma did not reply, the king, on the spur of generous impulse, rewarded him with a chief minister. So, Rajavarma will prove to be a very good chief minister. Give your comments. Is Rajavarma is the one who gets the chief minister post? Why? He is artist, but why chief minister? He is not capable, not able, not qualified to the chief minister post. But the king gave him as a reward and he make the artist into chief minister of the whole village and of the kingdom of his king. Now what is happened next? Thought Raja Varma was very good man and brilliant artist. He has no experience whatsoever of administration. Soon everything was thrown into disorder because of his hesitation, decision, and bad management of the state affairs. Now, he was very good artist, brilliant artist, but he has no experience. So, the administration of the kingdom, of the state affairs, the bad management is there, the decision was hesitated, the not so welfare of the people decision is not going good. Now he has no experience at all. But the king made him rewarded as a chief ministership post. He rewarded, but he has no experience, no decision maker, no welfare of management, not at all. All things are hodgepodge and all things are going bad. Now, what happened next? Though people were unhappy about his administration, they did not dare to complain the king because the king was very fond of him. Now, all the people are unhappy of the state because of the bad decision, bad management of the Raja Varma. But no one dared to go to complain the king that all things are going bad in manner. All things are going in bad decision. All things are going not so good. All things are disturbed by the decision of the king. But the elder of the town finally approached and thought Tenali Raman's help in getting rid of the new and impact chief minister. Now, Tilani Raman assured them, I shall soon find a harmless way to remove the artist from the chief ministership. Now, after a few weeks, Tenali Raman invited the king and queens and some countries to his house for lunch. Meanwhile, he found a very good carpenter and put him on the job of preparing a grand feast for the king. Now, Tenali Raman is now make a decision to remove the Raja Varma from his chief ministership post. Now he decided to make a decision. Now he wants to recollect the queens and kings and other country and make a decision and make a fest for them, and now invited them to his house for lunch. Now for the lunch, who make the lunch? Chef. Now the best good carpenter of the state, he makes the chef post. Now he wants to join him the chef post for this fest. He is a carpenter, but he don't know how to cook. So what happened next? The king and the others sat for lunch, and at Tenali Raman's order, the carpenter began serving them. As soon as they put the first morsels of food in their mouths, the people began to request for water again and again. Soon after tasting the food, the king realized that the food was bad cooked and was unbearably hot. He was angry. Raman, who has cooked this food? Do you want to all to suffer and die by eating the horrible food? In his usual humble way, Tenali Raman said, I beg your majesty forgiveness. Then he showed the carpenter to the king. I have never come across such an excellent carpenter, and I have put him on the job of cooking the lunch for today's feast. The king began laughing. loudly. Ha ha ha! Have you lost all sense, Raman? A good carpenter should be employed to work on wood but not on food. How did you get this funny idea? Tenali Raman asked the king. Lord, if an artist can become a chief minister, can't a carpenter become a cook? Did the king become angry when he heard this? Yes, sometimes. The king at once understood that Tenali Raman got a carpenter to cook the food to make him realize his error in making Raja Varma the chief minister. The king was saved from the embarrassment of removing Raja Varma from the post because when Raja Varma came to know about awkward incident at Raman's house, he immediately resigned from his post. Later, Raja Varma told Tenali Raman that he was happy to remain an artist. Now, this is the story about measures of measures, because Raja Varma was a artist, but the king rewarded him and gave the post to the Raja Varma as a chief minister. Now he has no experience of chief minister post. He has bad decision maker. He did not decide that such a good way, or the management is going dull and dull day by day. Then the thinking of the Tenali Raman, he has to save his state from the bad decision of the king. Now, for the measures, means what the king do, that will happen to the Raman's house only. He bring the best carpenter of the state and give him job of cooking for the fest. But when the carpenter cooked food and served them all, all food are bad. In some food there is some large amount of salt, or chilies are there also. The bad taste of food is there. So the king decided to call the cook. Now the measures of measures now coming after, what situation is going to be happen if we take a bad decision for the state. If we give the profession carpenter to do the job of cooking, so he has no skills of or experience to cook, how to serve, and how to make a delicious food. He is a carpenter, but in the carpenter skill, he knows what wood or what stick used to be converted into different types of furnitures, different types of wood carving is there. But now the king realized that he has make a very bad decision for the state affair. Now he came to know what he done and what he rewarded to the artist, the chief ministership. An artist is a artist. His work to art, portrait, and make a scenery, but not to take a decision maker, not to manage the state affairs. Now he realized and said to Raja Varma, you have to removed from this post. Now, Raja Varma was also happy with this decision. He knows only the art, not the decision maker management, not for the state affair. He don't interested in that. So at the end, decision the right decision was taken by the king, and all are happy. Now you have to do the word meaning and take the correct answer also. Take the correct answer. Who was invited to draw the king's portrait? Raja Varma. What did the artist get as a reward? Chief Ministership. The artist administration made the people of kingdom unhappy. Okay. Now choose the most suitable phrase that will help to complete the sentence. Raja Varma became dash to the king. You have to write the suitable phrases. Close and near. The food was unbearably hot. Do you want us to dash by eating horrible food? Suffer and die. Fourth one, I have never dashed such an excellent carpenter come across. The king asked Raman whether he had lost all senses. Now some match the following is there. A king's support to someone dash. You have to write in your copy. Frame your own sentences using this word. You have to do also this. Okay.